In this video, I want to talk about how you can record a program on YouTube TV. Now this is really easy guys because they have a built-in tool to do this. So you can do this from your smart TV, from your phone or from your PC. Now I'm quickly going to be talking about how you can do this. So let me quickly show you. So the first one is you just want to open up YouTube TV. Once you're in there, you want to go to the home, live or search and just find any program that you want to record. After that, you just want to select the program and look for the add to library icon. Usually this will be a plus sign or it will say add to library. So you want to press on this one. Once you have done this, it will now be added to your library and you can access all of your recordings inside of the library tab. So this is the easiest way to do this guys. It's really simple, so I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.